Hi all, how you doing? Hope you're doing great wherever you are in the world. So I was on the Intobridge YouTube channel and I was looking at some of the comments and stuff. And one of them was from Janet Murphy and she says, on a couple of hands, results say more could be scored. Could you review what all the numbers represent when you hit the light bulb? Okay, so I thought I'd make a video for you. Okay, so in Intobridge, so this is the 5th of November. So if we analyze a hand, it probably won't work on this one. Let's go to so we can see, let's go for this one, board four. Okay. So we're both in one no trump and the bidding's exactly the same. I managed to make an overtrick. So if you go on Mount Vesuvius is one, you click on the light bulb, so Adams, you can see it's got a white two in a green circle. Okay, so for now I'm just going to call them green twos now because it's easier for me to my brain to comprehend that. So if you get like a green two up, that means you can make two more tricks. Okay, so it's like it's like a positive color green. Okay, so two means you can make two more tricks than the actual contract you're in. So here, one no trump he made, it means you can make two more. You can make nine. So if you get everything right, you can make two tricks more. And therefore, because it's on every single card, that means you can make two more tricks, whatever they lead. Okay, and you can see here in the top hand corner, no trumps, it says three, and south, it says three. So if you're north or south, you can make three no trumps. If you're north or south, you can make three spades. If you're north or south, you can make one heart. So when you put the light bulb on, any card you lead, you can make two over tricks. Um, so let's say, for argument's sake, so what we can do, we can test this out. If you can click this button here, you can press play. Okay. And then you can choose whatever you want. So if you want, you can just fast forward it on with this, and this will play the card that was actually played, or you can now take over. You can choose. Okay. Or you can go back and try something else. So rather than play the two of hearts, you can now lead the five of clubs. Okay. And then put the 10 in, let's say, and play the ace and so forth. And you can play it. Now you notice here, now the numbers change. So sometimes it's two and sometimes it's three. So if we played a ten of hearts, now we're going to make three no trumps, okay, for them. Sorry, we're going to make three extra tricks. And now look, if I put the four in and go even more wrong as a defender, now we're going to give them four over tricks, okay? So you can mess about with this as much as you like and just test things out and go backwards and forwards. So you can, go backwards, all right, and start again. Okay. You can even reset. Okay. We'll start to go to the start. I think actually, yeah, so if I hit reset there, I can actually go backwards in the bidding. I can change the bidding if I want. I can make West open. How do I do it now? Hold on a minute. Yeah, go back. Sure, I can go back. Oh, here we go. Play. Yeah. So you can even start bidding if you want. You can have West open a no trump. Pass. 6, 7, 8, 9. I'm going to pass. I'm going to pass and get West to play it out in one no trump now instead if you want to. So you can sort of say, you can see what they got to in a contract and then think, oh, I wonder if, instead of them playing it out in four hearts, I wonder if we overbid and bid four spades or something like that. I wonder how many tricks we could make. And so you could look at that. Okay, so you can do that as well. Other things you can do is you can copy this link. Okay, so if you share, if you want to send a hand over to somebody, you can do that. So you can open up your email and put that in a link, and then it'll send it over. Or you can just copy it into the browser like that. So all I've done is just copied it into the address bar, and then you can play it like this if you want to. Okay, so if you're making a video of a hand, for instance, which I do quite often, I could make the hand bigger and then do the same kind of thing. Okay, so I can see it in. one no trump. Obviously, I can go backwards again by cards view. I can change the view around. So there's all sorts of things you can do on Intobridge. I'm not sure how I go back to the actual bidding. I don't think I can do that now. So I'd go to that link of that. Okay. If I go back, oh, can I go back further? No, hold on a minute. Right, so if I just go back here, right, okay, so I'm back at this point now. So again, I could take a link of that, put that in, send it to somebody, or just have a look at it myself. Okay, put the libel bar on, it'll say two. Okay, again. So this is what actually happened. Okay, and you can go through the hand. And again, you'll notice sometimes the numbers go like this. So here, if you play a spade or a low diamond, you're on target to make two overtricks. But if you do something disastrous, like play the king of clubs, now you're suddenly going one off. Okay, so that is basically how you use the light bulb to analyze hands on Interbridge. Hope you found that useful. Don't forget to like and subscribe.